Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Look at this. We got a delicious seafood boil today. With crab, shrimp, potatoes, and sausage. I want to go ahead and just dig in because it's still hot and they're looking good. I got a little dipping sauce here. Something I just enjoy to dip my sauce in. It's, well, honestly, I dropped my first sauce that I had. But this one I just used like garlic, salt, butter, and put a little hot sauce in it. Just because I want a little flavor, a little hot flavor to it. I just want to get into these crab legs. I wasn't even in them. Oh, damn it. There we go. Got our first piece of crab meat. Let's get some sauce. I tell you, these legs are gonna be yummy. Oh, if I can get into these crab legs, that'll be great, you know? I've got a bucket for my trash here. Let me just dump this out. Oh, there's lots of crab here. Got a lot of crab today. it doesn't come out like that. I just gotta cut it open. Be careful, y'all, because these crab legs are sharp and they will cut you. If you're not careful. It's fresh out the boil, so they're real juicy. I just can't get a break here. Can't catch a break, can't catch a break. We slid it out the back, slid it out the back. Here come the claw meat. I'll be digging up in there because there'll be meat up in there. Some good stuff, bro. It's been a long day. Perfect. Nice big fresh crab meat. Lots of crunch in this one. It's very messy, but it's oh so worth it. It just tastes so good. Give me more, give me more. Give me more, give me more. Oh yeah. My back's kind of hurting because I've been in awkward positions all day. I did some painting sessions with the kids. So I'm just tired and hungry. I was so ready for this. This was the mukbang I was waiting for. I'm eating all these crab legs. I spent a lot of money on this. So, oh, my back's hurting. Sorry, guys. I'm getting so full. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not full yet. My back's just hurting. I'll just sit back while I take apart some of this delicious food here. There we go. Making some room. Well, even though I sit back, at least you guys can still hear me eat. Because, I'm sorry, my back is killing me right now, so if I want to finish this video, I gotta sit back and let it kind of try to adjust. Painfully delicious. Painfully delicious. You know that how they say it hurts to be pretty. Well, it hurts to be hungry. No pain, no gain. Oh, man. We're almost done. We only have like maybe a pound left, or half a pound. Ooh, trying to come out with your butt, are you? I'm just enjoying it. God, I wish these would just break apart the way I want them to. Ah, these are hard to get into. I don't have any crackers for the claws, so you gotta be real careful with these. But the claw meat's good, so you gotta get it. Ow, see how sharp that is? If you're not careful. Oh man, my back is killing me, dude. This is hard, but I wasn't gonna not do this. Mr. Pibb is the bomb. These ain't no punk. Well, I might not be able to do the rest of this. I might have to skip out on this. I don't want to. I'm gonna fight this shit until it gives me that meat. It's probably because they got a little cold. So the shell probably got a little hard. I'm still after that meat though. Gotta be careful, you get stuff in your mouth that you don't want in there. I opened it up, there ain't nothing in there. I guess I better look inside. Oh yeah. Gotta be careful, y'all. Like I said, sometimes you get stuff in your mouth you don't want on there. Oh, I must be low. I'll give you props, honey, because you be having them muscles. She the one I got the scissor idea from, though, since I ain't got no crackers. And this actually makes it a little easier to get this meat out, too, because you can just cut it straight up the middle. And when you crack it, it's like it crunches the shell sometimes. And then it's really hard to get it out after you do all that, because I need all these little sharp shell pieces in the way. Hello to all my new subscribers, though. Sorry, the first part of this video, I wasn't really talking that much. That's because I was hungry. And I ain't ate all day. I had to get into this. This is so damn good, y'all. Y'all need to get yourself a seafood boil. I don't know how y'all gonna do your own sauce and everything, but this stuff is so heat. I watch out for them little shell bits. They will shell get you. Hoo, 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 hoo. Good old days off. Let's just really had no room to talk. We just had time to work and eat. Excuse me. We down to the last bits here. Be careful when you're getting it out too, y'all. And things be sharp. That claw meat is off the chain. I was just thinking, what if, like, somehow our meat in the world gets contaminated with something that makes us all go crazy? Like a real zombie virus, you know? Like, I wonder if they're working on it in a lab somewhere. One day, we really are going to have a zombie apocalypse. I don't know why anybody would conspire to do that. Because that's just crazy if you ask me. But it wouldn't be cool at all. Ain't nobody gonna be benefiting from that. I don't know why they want to keep making diseases. Just keep killing off all of us people. That's about it. On them crab legs. That was good. Sausage was real good too. My shrimps was tiny. But they're shrimps. Tiny shrimp. Big flavor. Yep, I sure did get all them crabs. Well, I should out, y'all. Thanks for coming and sitting down with me. Hope y'all enjoyed the food and the show. I know I did. Oh, what's that on my face? Why didn't y'all tell me I had something on my face? Alright, guys. I gotta get out of here. It's really been good. I gotta go. Guys, As always, thanks for watching. Stay safe, and we will eat again. Thanks, guys.